Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. So, thank you for the opportunity given to me to participate in in this activity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mafira Nisa from UIN Alauddin Makassar. Okay, I will immediately present my paper entitled The Effect of Islam Branding, Customer Testimonials, and Cash on Delivery Service on Muslim Fashion Buying, Interest Through Shopee E-commerce with Trust as a Moderation Variable. Background. An interesting phenomena in the realm of muamalah is the existence of buying and selling transactions that occur electronic media. Or one of them is the Shopee e-commerce, which provides various needs and always provides attractive offers to its prospective consumers. In addition, Indonesia is a country with the largest Muslim population in the world. RISSC, or the Royal Islamic Strategic Studies Centers, not that the Muslim population in Indonesian research to duration 40.62 million in 2023. Based on the description above, the researcher is interested in conducting further research on the influence of Islam branding, customer testimonials, and cash on delivery service on the interest in purchasing Muslim fashion through e-commerce Shopee with trust as a moderation variable. Study on the Bantai Regency community. Next, literature review. Number one, purchase interest. According to Hilgard, quote by Slameto, interest is a constant tendency to pay attention to and remember certain activities. Consumer interest is an interest or liking for products and service to have them. Kotler and Keller also explain that purchasing interest is a reaction that is from consumer behavior towards an object, whether goods or service, which shows that a tree is a consumer desire to make a purchasing decision. Number two, Islamic branding. Gilfinor explains that Islamic branding is a relative new concept. Islamic branding is the use of names that relate to Islam or refer to the halal information of a product. Islamic branding is the determination of a brand that is guided by the principle of Islam that are permissible and friendly by using Islamic descriptions, Islamic names, word symbols, and writing as well as halal labels, all of which are in accordance with Sharia. Number three, customer testimonials. Customer testimonials are also called online customer reviews, are opinion or experience given by consumers from service received or product from a business. So consumers who are satisfied with purchasing a product can review the quality of the product purchased. That way, indirectly, enticing other consumers who have not bought to be interested in buying it. Next, number four, cash on delivery service. COD is a payment method used by consumers using cash payments when the product is sent to the consumer's home or to a specific address. COD offers a safer and more convenient payment method and allows customers to check the quality of the product during delivery. This guarantee during delivery and payment is advantageous when compared to online payment methods. Therefore, COD is a profitable alternative for consumers who want to buy product online. Number five, trust. In terms of language, amanah comes from Arabic, which means safe, honest, or trustworthy. Meanwhile, according to the dictionary of the Indonesian language, amanah is something that is interested the another person, loyal and trustworthy. Amana is a trust given to someone to be fulfilled to those who are entitled. A trustworthy person is someone who can carry out their task given. Next, research methods. The methods used in the study is the quantitative method with a survey approach, which is an approach used to obtain as much information as possible regarding researching the influence of Islamic branding, customer testimonials, and cash on delivery service and purchase interest through Shopee e-commerce. We trust as moderasi variable crowd sampled for the community population in Banteng Regency who use Shopee e-commerce. Results and discussion. Number one, outer model method testing. Based on the results of convergent validity and composite reliability test, all variables are considered valid if their factor loading is greater than and their construct reliability is greater than table 2 present the results of all valid, reliable, and discriminant tests. We can see the picture that all the data is valid. Number two, structural model evaluation. In this study, variable that are influenced by other variables are used, namely the purchase interest variable, which is influenced by Islamic branding, customer testimonials, and cash on delivery service with trust as a moderating variable. Table 3 present the R-square value. Based on the square result in the table above is shows the result value of processing interest, which means that 90% of the variable of purchase interest in Muslim fashion e-commerce Shopee is influenced by the variables of Islamic branding, customer customers, and cash on delivery service, while the other 10% is influenced by other variables not used in this study. Next, result investigation number 3, hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing using Smart PLS software by performing the Smart PLS bootstrapping sampling method and testing the significance value of accepting the hypothesis with the provision of saying the original sample as a positive or negative influence and the statistic value and the p-value table 4 present the data on the results of hypothesis testing in this study. As shown in the image on the side, there are three hypotheses that are accepted, and three that are rejected. Number one, in accordance with the first hypothesis test, it can be concluded the Islamic branding has a positive effect on purchasing interest of Muslim fashion truck e-commerce Shopee, where data statistic value, the p-value, and the original sample value, which is indicates that H1 is accepted. In number two, in accordance with the second hypothesis test, it can be concluded that customer testimonials have a positive effect and possessing interest in Muslim fashion truck e-commerce Shopee, where the statistic value, the p-value, and the original sample value, which indicates that H2 is accepted. Number three, according to the third hypothesis test, it can be concluded that cash on delivery service has a positive effect on purchasing interest of Muslim fashion truck e-commerce Shopee, where the statistic value, the p-value, and the original sample value, which indicates that H3 is accepted. Next, number 4, the result of the hypothesis test show the trust is unable to moderate the influence of Islamic branding on the purchase interest of Muslim fashion truck e-commerce Shopee, where the statistic value, which mean is not significant, the p-value, and the original sample value, which indicates that H4 is rejected. Number 5, the results of the hypothesis test show that trust is unable to moderate the influence of customer testimonials on the purchase interest of Muslim fashion truck e-commerce Shopee, where the statistic value, which mean is not significant. The P value and the original sample value, which indicates that H5 is rejected. Number six, the research of the hypothesis the test show that trust is unable to moderate the influence of cash on delivery service on purchasing interest of Muslim fashion truck e-commerce Shopee, where the statistic value, which means it is not significant. The P value and original sample, which indicates that H6 is rejected. Um, Maybe that's all the material presentation from me. That's all and thank you until next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.